Growing a healthy snake plant is really easy, because it is a very fast-growing and low-maintenance plant. In this video, we will discuss snake plant propagation in details, including the best season, right method to propagate and different ways of snake plant propagation. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Snake plant is a fast-growing plant and can be propagated in two different ways. You can divide them from their rootstock, as they have multiple baby plants that keeps on peeping out from the soil. And the another way to propagate snake plant is to grow them by leaf propagation. Both methods works really well and easy to do as well. I will show you both ways, but first let's know what is the best time to propagate snake plant. The best time to propagate snake plant is when the temperature is normal, not so less and so high. Spring days as well as late summer days works great for this work. Avoid snake plant propagation in hot summers and in hard winter days as well. The next thing that matters the most is the soil medium, therefore you should use a good, well-draining soil mix. Because in the leaf propagation method, mostly the leaves get rotted due to the water-blocking soil mix. So for solving this problem, you can prepare a potting mix at home. A detailed video on this topic is added in the description box. I am using the same soil recipe to propagate snake plant, because it works very well. Let's first discuss the leaf propagation. For that you must have a leaf of snake plant. Cut this leaf into multiple pieces and put them in the soil, facing the base side of the leaf downward. Press the soil gently around the base of the leaf and water the soil well. Make it moist and put it in a semi-shaded area. Don't place this pot in a sunny spot. Water again, only when the soil feels dry. It's about 35 days of growing these leaves and I have a new plant coming up. It's time to check out the roots. One of the leaf is rotted and this one have only points of growing roots. It takes time and another plant will come up as well. Take out the root bowl very gently. So this is the result. The leaf have grown a new baby snake plant with lots of roots. So it's that easy to propagate snake plant. You can also follow up this method. A detailed article on snake plant propagation is also added in the description box. Let's move to our next method, that is to divide the rootstock of snake plant. With time, snake plant keeps on growing multiple pups or baby snake plants from their roots that we can divide to multiply them. This method is very easy and requires a very less care. You just need a healthy snake plant with such type of multiple plants. In the end of this video, we will also discuss how you can grow more and more pups on your snake plant. First of all, take out the whole plant from this pot. You can use any tool to loosen up the soil and root bowl. Carefully remove the soil and break the roots. So this is the point from where the roots of the smaller snake plants are connected with the mother plant. Snake plant don't face any shock, even if you put it out for a whole day, so you don't have to hurry up. Now you can plant all of these snake plants in separate containers with a good soil mix. Use the same soil mix recipe added in the description. Place the roots in the center of the pot and add more soil. To remove air gaps, you can use such tool. Gently press the soil and hit the pot slightly with the ground. Add frequent amount of water, make the soil fully moist. Follow the same way to plant the other propagated plants. You can put them in a semi-shaded area with bright light. So here we have all the propagated plants, and after a few days, they will keep their growth back. Finally, let's know how you can get more and more pups on snake plant. The most important thing for more and more snake pups is to grow them in a right season. Snake plant grow really fast in normal range temperature, like in springs and starting summer days. The next thing you can do is to provide a phosphorus-enriched fertilizer. You can use bone meal powder and rock phosphate, that are the very powerful sources of phosphorus. You can use 3 to 4 tablespoons of bone meal powder every month, for more production of pups. So it's all about snake plant propagation. For any question, leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out this soil recipe for snake plant.